Have a look at this. What do you see in this picture? If you say that there is a leopard, you are not alone. In fact, majority of the people said the same. As a matter of fact, there are many different plants present in this photo. Most of the people fail to acknowledge the presence of plants because humans are taught from the childhood about various animals but are taught very little about the varieties of plant species, and that's why they think that all the plants are same, as they all are of same green color. Being very important pieces of ecosystem, plants are going completely unnoticed by human eyes. This is a part of bigger problem we all are involved in, the problem of plant blindness. Basically, plant blindness is the term to describe the inability of humans to notice plants in their daily life. This leads to three effects. Number 1. We fail to recognize the importance of plants in our life. Number 2. We fail to notice the unique biological features of plants. Number 3. We rank plants as inferior to animals, leading to conclusion that plants are unworthy of human consideration. People just don't see why plants are important, which has huge implications, seriously limiting the efforts taken for plant conservation. Large-scale deforestation for fulfilling human desires not only threatens the plant species but also take away homes of many bird species. Uncontrollable wildfires in many countries and coral bleaching are danger to many plant species. We don't understand plants. A failure of understanding often leads to a likelihood to ignore. But how can we ignore something which has direct influence in our lives, more than you might think? To understand this, let me tell you a story. This morning you wake up in your cotton bed sheets. Brush your teeth with mint toothpaste. You take a cup of coffee. You don't like coffee? Have a cup of tea. You pay in shops using paper money and read books made of paper. We eat some plants for lunch and for dinner as well. We put plants in pots to make our house look pretty and grow plants to make our surroundings look pretty. Plants are more important for our survival than we can even understand. They clean our environment, removing the harmful greenhouse gases like CO2. They produce oxygen, which is important for life on Earth. They provide us shelter and food. Plants literally keep us alive. Nowadays, we are disconnected from nature and have built 4 walls of concrete to live in. Earth is very beautiful and is home of vast plant and animal species. Humans have no right to exploit resources which are shared by all the creatures of Earth. We should think of conserving plants and animals for the sake of Earth's future and for our coexistence. So, let's take a pledge today to grow plants and take care of them.